Commercial duty performance with lower emissions and no fuel mixing required. Introducing MAKITA 25.4cc MM4 string trimmers. MAKITA's cleaner burning MM4 string trimmers feature powerful and fuel-efficient 4-stroke engines for commercial duty performance and no fuel mixing. The multi-position lubrication system enables the engine to be inclined at any angle for a variety of applications, wherever the job takes you. MAKITA MM4 4-stroke string trimmers are engineered with mechanical automatic engine decompression. That means quicker, easier starts. They're also equipped with a commercial-duty dual-stage air filter and steel drive shaft engineered for less vibration and longer equipment life. Maintenance is a snap with the easily accessible oil filling port and drain plug with oil level view window. For improved efficiency, MAKITA MM4 string trimmers are equipped with a high-capacity, rapid-loading bump and feed trimmer head that allows quick line loading and removal without splitting the trimmer head. MAKITA offers 2 options in MM4 string trimmers to fit the demands of the professional landscaper. Model EM2650LH 1.1 horsepower MM4 string trimmer and the EM2652LHN MM4 high torque string trimmer with high torque gear case for improved cutting performance. Both tools give professional landscapers a more efficient solution for commercial duty performance.
I like the fact that it runs straight gas. It seemed lightweight, felt really good in my hands, and it had lots of power to get through the big weeds that I was cutting through.